B.Sc Banking and Finance. You're receiving requests for this course too. So here it is. 100 level first semester. These are the courses you are supposed to register. You're supposed to pass all of them as well. That's why you're saying 16 of 16. You'll be paying the first compulsory fee of 36,000. Other compulsory fees for future semesters is 18,000, not 36 anymore after this semester. Then we have 2 unit courses and 1 unit courses are registered with 2,000. 3 unit courses 2,005 until you become a graduate. Although if it's 2 units or 3 units, but then it is a project like teaching practice, industrial training, then it's 10,000. Or until we get there, well, we get there. Here we have exam fee for each course. It's 1,000 generally for every undergraduate in NOUN. So the course registration fee plus exam fee will give you these totals here. 2,000 plus 1,000, 3,000, 2,500 plus 1,000, 3,500, and so on. The total fee of 22,000 for the registrations. These course registration fees are actually paid for as textbooks. They are paid for textbooks. They are payment for textbooks or course materials. Okay, so if you sum this up, 22 plus 36, you'll be getting 258. 58,000 as your first semester school fees. 100 level second semester school fee will be 40,500. Using the same calculation pattern, 2 units, 2,000, 3 units, 2,500, and so on. And you are 17 means you are expected to pass all of this. You register them all, you pass them all. Okay, so look at the compulsory fee, it has changed to 18,000. Then 200 level first semester. These are the courses you're supposed to register and pass, all of them. Unless you are a direct entry student, then you bring in GST 107 from 100 level. Yours becomes 19 units instead of 17. You register all, you pass all. Okay, so you have 39,000 as your school fees. Direct entry students will have to add 3,000 for this course because it's a 2 unit course and 2 unit courses are registered with 3,000. So it will become 42,000 for a direct entry student. 200 level second semester, you have these courses to register all and pass all. Although you can see I made a mistake here. This is supposed to be 2,500 each for 3 unit courses. So we're left about 2,000 naira. We're 2,000 naira short here. So you add 2,000 to this, it becomes 38,000 instead of the 6. Right? Don't blame me, I have a lot of this to do in one day, like for 10 programs. So that's why these mistakes keeps coming up. Okay. So you sum this up, you have 38,000 as your fee for 200 level second semester. Then 300 level for first semester. These are the courses you have to take, but out of these you are required to pass 12 units, which means about 2 courses here are elective and only 1 is the major requirement. Yeah, usually 1 elective per semester. Okay, then your fees, oh no, the same mistake here. They are supposed to be 2,500 each, so 4 courses does not have 500, which is 2,000. You will add 2,000 to this 33,000, making it 35,500 as your fee for 300 level first semester. So 300 level second semester, you can see lots of BFN courses, banking and finance as you are getting into it fully. So yeah, let's see here. The fee appears to be very accurate. Yeah, 3 units 2.5, 2 units 2,000, and the sum up to be 51,500. Though there are lots of them, but only 23 units are required of you to pass. So you may just register 23 units, pass all of them. That's it. Then we have 400 level first semester. And here are the courses you're supposed to register. 19 of 19 means you pass all. Register all and pass all. Okay, so you have 41,500 as your school fees for 400 level first semester. I've explained all of this in previous semesters, and the fees are correct. Yeah, 3 units 2.5, 2 units 2,000. Yeah, that's correct. Then final semester, 400 level second semester. There you go. You have these courses to offer, and you are expected to pass all of them, including your research project of 6 credit units, which costs 15,000 to register generally in now. Even if it's 2 credit units and it's a research project, you find out here is 15,000. That's the cost of registering project. You don't register projects for exams actually, so it's only 50,000 you pay. Sum this up and sum it up with your compulsory semester fee of 18,000, you have 45,000 to pay. So you have carried or registered up to 161 courses. There might be more in your portfolio, but if you could make it to 150, you would be awarded as the ones you pass. You end up to 150 credit units.